Hi everyone. I was straightening out these wires and I thought that some of them look worse than this, but I got these new pliers and they're supposed to straighten it out, and it does. I guess you just have to learn how to use them. They've got little rubber things in there so it don't mar up everything. Usually I use my fingers. These were a little wonky in the bag, so okay, we're going to make some Valentine earrings that are not red. I've got these little stone, I'm not sure what they are, but it's a little gemstone, probably a jasper, if I had to guess. Some kind of jasper. So we're going to take a little heart, a spacer, and we're putting it on the eye pen. I mean, not eye pen, but a ball pen. Okay. And a crystal. Another spacer. Another little heart out of the same stone. A spacer. And a crystal. Alright, now let's string the other one on. See the ball pin? Take our, there goes fireworks. They're a little bit early. Probably have to work tomorrow. We're off, so. Yeah, it's New Year's Eve. And I thought I'd make a few while we were waiting. So that's what they're going to look like. And you'll need round nose pliers and wire cutters for this. And needle nose pliers. You can probably get them at a craft store. Wrap it around. Leave you a gap so you have room for your wrap. Get in there real close and cut it. Just make sure you cut what you plan on cutting and not everything else, because I've done that before. It ain't fun having to start over. Alright, I'm going to have to hold this. We've got a little tab sticking up. And you just ash it down. Whenever you're getting close to that bead, you be real careful, because I have broke so many beads. I think I'm far enough away from it, and then it's broke. Leave like about that much. And then go around. Okay, And then we'll go around. Yeah, sure. Figured out how to, I think, stay in screen. I've messed up a few times, thinking I was in. My son in there is loud, so I hope you can't hear him. He's just laughing away. He has a friend out of the country and he likes talking to him. Oop, I dropped it. Did I cut it? Yeah, I got it. Oh. Right. This wire is a little bit softer than the others that I've used. And I had some that looked just like it. And I must have got it out of a different bag, but it was like working with steel. You twist it open like that. You just twist it. You don't pull it. If you pull it, it'll be real hard to get it back. And see, I like when it's the wraps at the back. I put that always to the front. And you twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Make sure your stuff is not going to fall off. And if it doesn't close good enough and your earring falls off, just get it, and whenever you get it back, just twist it until it closes up. So you take it like that. Go like that. Twist it back, and if it doesn't close all the way, you just wiggle it and push down. And then go like that. Make sure it's all the way seated and check it. Make sure it don't fall off. Alright. There's our stone heart earrings. And they will flip around, but that's the nature of them. They've got two sides. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. And thanks for sticking it out to the end. Really helps me out. And like and subscribe. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.